Kisah diawali dengan seorang pria misterius yang bertemu dengan jurnalis asal Jerman di sebuah hotel di Yunani untuk membahas misi rahasia milik CIA.
How did you...
Does it matter?
Your scandal could destroy the US.
Unfortunately for you,
Greta Becker was found dead in a Greek Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Of other nations. But
Di kantor CIA, seorang wanita bernama Kate sedang menyelidiki kasus kematian sang jurnalis dengan memeriksa rekaman CCTV di lokasi kejadian.
Said I already checked those.
I know.
Sir, I've been trying to reach you. Victor Radek died 18 months ago.
Ceritanya berpindah ke kota Philadelphia, di mana seorang pria bernama Phil sedang bekerja sebagai tukang batu bata. Saat ingin memesan makanan, ia dihubungi oleh mantan pimpinannya di CIA bersama dengan Kate untuk membahas kasus kematian Radek di masa lalu.
Radek's one of the most dangerous men. Boris Babov.
Performed by Radek. Commissioned by the CIA.
Radek is back. He's got secrets at Oking.
You know his habits, contacts, networks.
Like I'm persona non grata with the agency.
They're sending someone a little bit more credentialed.
He starts coming for you.
It's your own fucking mess.
Malam harinya, saat sedang bekerja, Phil teringat akan kenangan saat bekerja sama dengan Radek.
this is the bricklayer's most important tool.
Tiba-tiba, ia diserang oleh sekelompok orang yang berusaha membunuhnya, memaksa Phil untuk membunuh mereka satu persatu. Ternyata, kelompok tersebut adalah orang-orang suruhan Radek. Karena kejadian ini, Phil memutuskan untuk bergabung kembali dengan CIA dan pergi ke Yunani untuk mencari Radek.
Cut yourself shape. That makes zero sense.
No supervisors? They just give me space to do my thing. Everything goes you do. Everybody wants to be a...
All right.
Setelah mendarat di Yunani, Phil meminta Kate untuk berhenti di tempat temannya, Patricio, guna mengambil perlengkapan.
You're looking good. Patricio's my outfitter.
What is that? Drugs? Oh, I'm sorry I didn't.
She loves to hide under the office.
Wasn't authorized.
Sit there.
You mean your way?
You call.
Patricio kemudian memberikan mereka identitas baru sebagai sepasang suami istri agar tidak dicurigai selama melakukan pengintaian.
Here. Oh.
Bring in the Rosebud. 50 horsepower. Beefed up brakes and suspension.
No promises. Oh, you don't like dogs?
Setibanya di hotel, Phil menyuruh Kate untuk mandi.
Why don't you go clean up and we'll regroup? I was being considerate. I'll order some food. Make it quick.
Vale?
Sementara ia pergi ke gereja untuk melakukan upacara dan menyusun rencana di sana.
Second one's on the way.
Setelah itu, Val menuju museum dan bertemu dengan kekasih lamanya, Tay, untuk bertukar informasi soal penangkapan Radek.
The police an island after me.
Wow. I got a bigger trophy for that.
Yeah. Why aren't they I do? Which is pretty frustrating considering
Because I need your help.
it's smart. He runs the brief.
It's a long time.
Selanjutnya, Val pergi ke klub milik Stan, seorang rekan yang bekerja sama dengan Radek.
Torn. Damn this, I've been very fortunate. Did you hear I got married? Well, congratulations are in order. Looking for Radek. I told you what you already know. My word means something. Here's a tip, guys. You're gonna leave the top 4 buttons open. You might as well not wear the shirt. An up-jump thug. For you to leave again.
Karena tidak mendapatkan jawaban yang diinginkan, Val menghajar Stan dan anak buahnya agar bisa melarikan diri. Di tengah pengajaran, Kate tiba-tiba muncul dan menyelamatkan Val dari tembakan anak buah Stan.
Spy ever. No.
I found
Look, if I'm gonna help you,
he was his wife and daughter, but his cover got blown in the Russians.
I ordered you to take him out. Actually, yes. How?
Oh my
enemies, but by the UN doing the same to them.
Mereka berdua lalu menyusup ke rumah salah satu anak buah Stan untuk mencari informasi tentang keberadaan Radek.
we can work with.
I've got photos and a map of.
This is Greta Becker's phone. It's the journalist.
The next target.
Namun, tiba-tiba seseorang datang dan perkelahian pun tidak dapat dihindari.
We just talk.
Meskipun terluka, mereka berhasil mengalahkannya.
Did you take your medic?
100 hours of field training.
See one. Nine.
Forget the sense of where.
Setelah itu, mereka menyusun rencana penyergapan saat Radek diperkirakan muncul di pusat kota. Namun, Val tiba-tiba mendapat telepon dari Radek dan terjebak dalam pengalihan.
12 Apostle Church always was something we were always very good. Surprised isn't the word I'd use.
You see, we never did. These don't feel. You know how efficient I can be.
I would have known about it.
Maybe you did. Maybe that's why.
Even if that's true, Victor, what you're doing isn't right.
Stay out of the way.
Akibatnya, anak buah Patricio menjadi korban pembunuhan oleh Radek dan berkas penting berhasil dibawa kabur bersama olehnya.
Tablet, and the screen is cracked.
Fired, I quit.
A man is dead, Vale.
Tell me.
Delgado, but he's.
Alive. O'Malley already knows.
Then why is it just?
O'Malley's covering his own ass. He was stationed.
You think O'Malley? You read her in, didn't you? At the art
I
gallery.
want you to direct them toward the right people.
Because this makes sense.
Ty is.
Fuck you. Yes, sir.
If the CIA is responsible for this, thank you.
Sore harinya, Val mendatangi rumah Ty untuk menceritakan kejadian tadi siang serta membahas motif Radek melakukan semua ini.
Costa suspended all U.S. intelligence. That's not good for us. said it was a necessary evil.
There's a crime.
And then one day he refused to hold up his hand.
I know how that feels. The crowds, I kept thinking they were you out. Here she could. Why didn't you come?
This life and all that. Dally called and offered me the job.
You will. But you have an agreement with the aged family.
They've been spot. Not necessarily. Me, the girls, I'll see you in Grizzly Pines.
To them now. Okay.
Aren't you on vacation? GC has Radek's tablet computer.
Who's on the line?
Oh, your career.
You're here. It'll just prove he was right.
This is something I have to do.
Careful.
Di hotel, Kate mengungkap informasi yang diketahuinya sambil menodongkan senjata ke Val karena mengetahui bahwa Val sempat melakukan kontak telepon dengan Radek.
I killed Radek.
Malam harinya, Val mendatangi markas Patricio, namun masa janggal karena Patricio tidak menjawab teleponnya. Mereka memutuskan untuk memeriksa keadaan di dalam dan menemukan bahwa Patricio telah dibunuh. Tiba-tiba, Stan muncul bersama anak buahnya dan berusaha menangkap Val bersama dengan Kate.
No one gets out.
They're inside.
One, tuck your weapon and come in.
Say that.
Come on. Out.
Have a little talk.
I'm sorry.
You take the rear door, get the car, and look.
Setelah berhasil membunuh Stan dan anak buahnya, Val menjelaskan kepada Kate alasan kenapa Radek berubah. Semuanya karena dendam atas kematian istri dan anak-anaknya.
I knew Radek was on a
How did it get to this?
rival.
Who?
The agency could be.
Mereka pun berkendara menuju kantor CIA untuk menyusun rencana penjebakan Radek dengan umpan sebesar uang $100 juta dalam bentuk Bitcoin.
They've agreed to pay the $100 million.
Have begun evacuating due to safety concern.
Here, the live coverage of the press conference.
Enjoy this part of your job. Secret meetings and back.
Our rising star?
Excuse me?
I think it's safe.
I'm saying something.
So we can't get too close to you, but we'll be tracking you
I know who I am, sir.
The Bitcoin is loaded onto the
Please have your ticket.
Copy that.
Kate ditugaskan untuk melakukan transaksi dengan Radek di sebuah kafe yang telah direncanakan. Namun, secara tiba-tiba, Val datang dan menawarkan diri untuk menggantikan Kate dalam transaksi tersebut.
They cannot follow directions. Seems like anyone that gets close.
You can't hide from me, Victor. Sure is a fucked up way of showing it.
It's on paper. It's
Kill him.
not alone any longer.
Okay, Radish close by.
Setelah Setelah berhasil menabrak mobil Radek, Vale turun untuk memeriksa. Namun, Radek sudah tidak ada di dalam mobil. Vale segera menuju lokasi pidato Kostas berada, karena yakin Radek akan berada di sana untuk membunuhnya.
Not for you. Grizzly Pines.
Setelah kejadian itu, Vale dirawat di rumah sakit dan dikunjungi oleh Kate serta O'Malley yang mengatakan bahwa perangkat Bitcoin yang sebelumnya digunakan tidak ditemukan dan telah hilang dari lokasi kejadian.
That must have hurt. So just the truth then, huh?
Truth is severe after we told you to take a hike, so bricklaying.
Want a brick in my hand? I know exact me piece.
I don't know what the fuck any of that.
It's coming down. Radek was a complicated man, but I knew it drove. Something I'll never understand. Okay.
So long, bricklayer.
Malam harinya, Vale mengunjungi rumah Tai. Di sana,
Thought I'd get
Tai
it.
memberitahunya bahwa ia akan pergi berlibur beberapa pekan ke Maldives. Namun, saat Vale melihat piring yang hitam yang diberikan Radek, ia menyadari bahwa Tai telah berkhianat membocorkan seluruh informasi milik CIA kepada Radek.
Yeah. Get out for good.
You sent me to die. I think your Uber is here, Radek. You gave me. You've already done it.
I'm not the same.
Something Vale said to me.
In Greece now.
Di akhir cerita, O'Malley menawarkan kenaikan pangkat. Namun Kate memilih untuk pensiun dari pekerjaannya bersama CIA.
You'd be me.